Thank you guys so much for coming out. I really do appreciate it, man, and for sticking out in the woods. And it's going buck wild last night, man. I'm really glad you guys came out. Round of applause all the way around.
Incredibly happy to find out about the fishing club there. Once I learned about the fishing club, I managed to weasel my way into somehow, some way being able to make a few ideas happen. One of the good ones I can't really take full credit for sure, because there was definitely some other people in the club that had some ideas. It was about getting together for a steelhead tournament.
It's the only way I've known. Stop believing and only see what I have shown. Every day I wait to see tiny puzzles reconvene. Under my shadow, intentions all remain unseen. All this time I've been deceived. No one knows but all believe.
We ended up in the northern part of the northwestern part of the state with about 50 people the first year, which was in 2002. So we get out in the woods, we turn on some tunes, we drink a couple beers, we start some fire, we talk about fishing, and we get people together. We go out, we rock it out, have just a great time. There's actually some structure involved. I don't know how, but we managed to get things down on paper, rules, locations, etc., etc. We knock it all out. Year 1, 2002, overwhelming success. I mean, it was awesome. We had a great time. It was a great time out there. We even had a trophy. We had T-shirts, which still continue this to this day.
All this time I've been deceived. No one knows but all believe. Memories I can't conceive. Helpless intention, blinded ambition. I have regressed, cannot resist. What have I done? Become try and think of everything I feel. It don't take long. The same old song. I never hear that song again. The time and time I feel distant.
You're coming together for a common reason. I think that's kind of what I'm trying to get at here. Give you a little background, but then talk about the reason that this steelhead tournament works and why it's in its 10th year. The reason is because you've got a bunch of people who love the resource. That's first and foremost, which is these unbelievable rivers and these unbelievable fish that we have in Michigan here. 2, you've got, you know, people who are like-minded, who want to do the same thing, who want to conserve these resources, who want to go out, who want to have a good time, who want to get together, who want to be together. And, you know, that's the camaraderie factor. And then, you know, 3, it's just it's a perpetual event. It's something that's annual. It's something that's tangible. It's something that you can see grow, that you can see people, you know, same people year after year. There's a bunch of people I met up there the first 2 years that I still talk to. I would have never met them had it not happened.
All this time I've been deceived. No one knows but all believe me. Memories I can't conceive. Helpless
aspects that maybe haven't talked about is the fact that this is a competition. This is a tournament. And what's fun about that is winning. Don't let anybody else kid you. Winning is definitely the fun part. Losing, not so much fun. But you know what? That trophy, when you see that trophy hoisted up at the end of the day, it's kind of a cool thing, you know. It's like, hey, you know, we came together, like, you know, since the alumni's been involved, it's been kind of cool because, you know, maybe some of the alumni don't know all of the students, vice versa. You're coming together for a common cause, you know. You're trying to win that for your school that you're representing. And that always makes things, you know, a little bit more spicy, a little bit more fun. So, you know, as long as we can, you know, maintain our focus with the, you know, the things that we talked about, having fun, camaraderie, and respect for the resource, perpetuating it, I don't see why there's any reason that this thing can't go on another 10 years, another 20 years, another 30 years.
Starting with the third place school, OU had a total of 92.75 inches, which was one participant, which is pretty awesome. So congrats to him.
Yeah!
In second place, sadly,
OU, baby!
is WMU.
Ow!
So we kind of missed out, 103.75 inches.
Yeah, at least we're not third.
And then first place goes to CMU with a total of 144.25 inches. This goes to CMU.
Goes to CMU, represent, man. I know you got the camera out.
The first time, actually.
Well, we get a lady come up here and take a
Yeah.
trophy on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Beat all you guys. I'll take that off the chin. That's
Congratulations.
Thanks.